In this video, I'll show you how to do screenshots on your MacBook or iMac computer. So to take a screenshot of your full desktop computer, you want to go ahead and hit Command-Shift-3. And if that's done successfully, you'll get a photo on your desktop. And this will be a full screen capture of your desktop and everything that's on there at the moment. So the next thing, if you want to take a screenshot of a particular part of your desktop or a logo or a web page, that's simply done by going Command-Shift-4. Once that's done, you'll see a little cursor with a little crosshair, and all you have to do is click, hold that, and then drag to your desired location that you'd like to capture. So I'm happy with this, so now I'll let go of the click. And you can hear the sound, and that does a really nice screenshot just of that image. So I'll go ahead and open that. And again, that's taken a photo of just that part of the screen. Super simple and super quick. Hopefully this video has helped you. And as always, thanks for watching.